Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. For those new to the channel, back in November of 2024, my brother's 2011 Nissan Sentra threw timing codes, specifically the P0011, which essentially means the timing is too advanced. I started running Valvoline Restore Protect as a Hail Mary attempt to fix the timing. Now I had no idea what was going to happen, but fast forward to today, after running the Valvoline for 2,000 miles now, the timing code is gone. But the question is, did Valvoline Restore and Protect help? Before you answer that in the comments, there are a few other things I did in the last 2,000 miles that I wonder might have played a factor in it. Alright, here's the timeline of events. So we have the 2011 Nissan Sentra, and 2,000 miles ago, we had the P0011 timing to advance code. At that point, I started running the Valvoline Restore and Protect, and I switched out the VVT solenoid with one I bought from Rock Auto. 600 miles ago, I changed out the oil at 1,400 miles into the Valvoline Restore and Protect, and then I started a fresh round of Valvoline Restore and Protect with a new filter. And then 200 miles ago, I replaced the alternator, PCV valve, and the air filter. I also took the old OEM VVT solenoid that I took out 2,000 miles ago, and I sprayed it down with electronics cleaner. There wasn't any buildup, debris, or anything like that I can see with my eyes. And then I also reset the codes, the P0011 code, and then I ran a Riz Lone Fuel System cleaner. And then fast forward to today, no codes. We are now probably 250 miles since I cleared the codes and nothing has popped up. Now typically, it takes about 50 to 100 miles for the codes to reappear, but the fact that it hasn't reappeared leads me to believe that the timing codes have been solved. Now the question remains, did Valvoline Restore and Protect fix the timing code? Or is it one or a combination of the parts I changed out that helped it go away? I genuinely do not know, and I wanted to make this video to drive some discussion on this. So let me know in the comments what you think helped with the timing codes going away. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, consider checking out my other videos on my channel. You'll find videos of me opening up oil filters, videos about how I'm getting my truck to 500,000 miles, product reviews, among other things. Please check it out.